Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make text shadow mouse effect using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So, body H1 hello. So first I'll create a H1 that says hello, copy path, paste, hello. Next, in the index.css, I need to go to root body. I just create a variable called x equal to var 10 pixels, and I create another variable called y. It was also var 10 pixels. Then I'll set the body to background background size 100 SVW, 100 SVH. I set the background color to radial gradient at var --x, var --y, circle, comma white 20%, comma black, comma gray 20%, and white 10%. Oh no, why did I put var here? So it's meant to be 10 pixels, and now it's working. I want this to follow the mouse to create sort of a light effect. So we document.onMouseMove is equal to E. Document.body .style .set property for $x, $sign e.client xpx. I'll copy this and paste it. Document.style property .sy and e.client ypx. Document. What is wrong with this? Whatever. Inspect an error. Document. Document dot body. Let me add semicolon. Hey, wait a minute, what's happening? Oh, why did I put this square bracket? I can't believe myself. I can't believe I make such a stupid mistake. It's meant to be curly braces. Now this is following the cursor. Next we need to center the text. So to center the text, you can set the display to grid, the divide content center, align items center, then height 100 SVH. I can make the text a little bigger. Font size 30 rem. Yikes. 20 rem and margin 0. There we go. And so now I'll make two x properties. x1 is going to be equal to document.body.style.get property value --x. I will copy this and paste it, and I'll change this to x2. No, I meant y1. That's just y. And so do. And then I'll copy these two thugs. No. Paste them right here. And then I'll change this to x2 and y2. And then I'll create a new variable called t document.get element by id thug. Give this an ID of thug. And write t .get founding client rect. Yeah. .x, and this time it's t.get bounding client rect .y. Doesn't really do anything, so write t.style.text shadow is equal to $x x2 minus x1 px $y2 minus y1 px $5px RGB is 0,0,0,0.5. Start working. Inspect. What's style? What's text shadow? So anyways, let me reduce the size of this 10 rem. Oh, this is meant to be e.client x and e.client y. Hey, what's this? That must be a tiny mistake. Now it should be working. Just do x1 minus x2. Y1 minus y2. This is meant to be text shadow. Finally, we've got it working. x2 minus x1 px, y2 minus y1 px. There we go. Now you can see that this makes it to be sort of a light source. So I can divide this by 5 to reduce the intensity. Divide both of them by 5. Hello. And so now, let me change the background color picker. Let me change this to blue. I will copy this. I'll change this to blue instead. And then I'll make this text to be dark blue. Color is equal to dark blue. And let me make this a little less transparent. 0.25. I meant a little more transparent. 0.25. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.